Welcome to our channel. If Alexa isn't discovering your TV during the device setup process, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and reset the connection. Step 1. Verify that your TV is compatible with Alexa. Check your TV manufacturer's website or manual to confirm it supports Alexa integration or works with Amazon Echo devices. Step 2. Ensure both your TV and Echo device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone and check the network settings for both devices. Step 3. Enable HDMI CEC on your TV if applicable. Access your TV settings and look for options labeled HDMI CEC, AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync, or similar depending on your TV brand. Step 4. Restart your Echo device by unplugging it from power, waiting 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Allow it to fully boot up before proceeding. Step 5. Power cycle your TV by turning it off, unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 1 minute, then plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 6. Open the Alexa app and go to Devices. Remove any existing TV entries by tapping on the device and selecting Delete Device or Forget Device. Step 7. Reset the device discovery by going to Devices, tapping the plus icon, selecting Add Device, then choosing TV. Follow the prompts to rediscover your TV. Step 8. If your TV requires a specific skill, go to Skills and Games in the Alexa app, search for your TV brand skill, disable it, then re-enable it with fresh credentials. Step 9. If discovery still fails, check for software updates on both your TV and Alexa app. Update if necessary and repeat the discovery process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.